The page SEO is very important for the visibility of your pages. No matter if it's a website or a funnel, you have to have page SEO. It's also used for sharing as well, so make sure that you do that. So what is the title and the description? These are the page title, the meta title, and the meta description. These are used by Google, by Facebook when you're sharing. It is very important to have that information. And by default, it will be coming with the name of the page that you've added when you created it. But make sure that you add a very descriptive title. It's good to include keywords that are important for this page. Let's say if it's a yoga studio, so make sure that you mention like yoga studio and the name of the studio. Start building, working on your yoga routine or something like that. Something catchy that people will see when they search for something similar to what you're doing, or when you're sharing it with Facebook again for that specific page. That will be like the title. So it has to be something that grabs the attention and have keywords that are important for your business as well, but has to be in a sentence. Same for the meta description. Obviously it will be below that. When somebody is searching again, you have more space there to add like 300 symbols or something like that. And again, be descriptive, have some keywords inside that are very important for your business. Include them as much as forward to the beginning. So it's important to have them to start with those type of keywords in the first sentence, for example. So again, have sentences, be compelling text, something that people might be searching on the web to find you easily this way. And you see this orange bar at the bottom. So when you add information, it will get to a green point, which is like the optimal. So orange and green is optimal, so not too short, not too long. But if you go over too much, it will go red. So never go into the red. So in the orange green section, you're fine. Same go for the meta description. There, like I said, you have more information that you can add, and make sure that you're in the orange green section and be descriptive. Have some keywords, and check on the web again what might be people searching, so that you rank better for Google, for Facebook when you are sharing things. This is important information that you need to add. Now the sitemap by default it will be added. This is the sitemap that also Google and other search engines are using to index, to find your pages. So if you have a page on the sitemap, it will be easy for search engines like Google to find you. If you don't have it, it will be harder. But if you still have a link to this page anywhere on your website that, let's say, Google searches, they will still find your page because there is a link to it, and the bot, the crawler, will find that page. So if you really don't want anybody to see it, just remove it from the sitemap and don't have any links to your page, so that it is hidden basically from the web. Only a person with a link can access it. And the social sharing image, self-explanatory. This is when you share this page on Twitter or on Facebook or in Skype, wherever, in Viber. You will see this image anywhere that will show. So if you want to have a unique image for this this particular page, just add it here. If not, it will be using in your website settings, it will be using the social sharing image, which is used for the whole website. So that will show by default. But if you have a page one, it will override the general one. So you can access again the page SEO from the page SEO on every page that you are inside. And this is it. This is a few tips, and just a few tips again for the pages themselves. Make sure that you use H tags for the headlines, which are the heading widget, and paragraphs, text for the other information. So make sure that in your H tags you have again information that is have some keywords about your business inside of it that you want people to when they're searching to find, and make sure that you add your description for your images. This is also important for SEO to add here. So this is it. This is how to do SEO for your pages. It's very easy. Just make some compelling text and do it for all the pages that you want to people to find. This is it. I hope that you enjoyed, and if you have any questions, just let us know.